As students, in last class, we started with chapter 3 of second module. In last class, we discussed about ordinary variable and environment variable. Okay, and we also discussed the dot profile file. Okay, in this session we are going to discuss read and read only commands and using command line argument and exit and exit status of command and the local operators, nothing but and are conditional execution. Okay, these are the topics we are going to discuss today. Okay, read and read only commands. Read, making a script interactive. Okay, here sorry, there is a spelling mistake. This is script. Okay, making script interactive means there is a bridge between the users and the system, means there should be a interactive phase. That is nothing but read command or read only command. Okay, the read statement is the shell internal tool for taking the input from the user, that is making script interactive. Okay, it is used with one or more variable. For this reading the input, we are going to use more means one or more variable. Input is supplied to the standard input is read into this variable. Okay, when you use statement like read name, okay, the script phases at the point to take input from the keyboard, means it's going to take the input from the keyboard. Whatever you enter is stored in the variable name. Okay, ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ we are going to use the variable. Since this is from form of assignment, no dollar is used before the name because this is a assignment, so we are not going to use dollar symbol before the name. A single read statement can be used with one or more variable to let you enter multiple arguments, means we can use we can use one or more variable. Okay, read p name, fl name. Okay, here you can see that there are two variables, one is p name and fl name. A script asked for a pattern to be entered, means we have to give the input for p name and fl name. Input the string director which is assigned to the variable p name. Next, scripts ask for the file name, enter the string emp.lst which is assigned to variable fl name. Grep run with this two variable as a arguments, means this p name and fl names are the file, this two are the p name and fl name are the variable. When we are going to run with the grep, means this is going to convert as a arguments. Okay, suppose for the example we know that this is the header file, emp.sh is the file name. Here echo enter the pattern to be searched, means we have to give the input for the p name. Next, enter the file to be used and we have to give the file name for fl name. Okay, echo searching for p name and file fl name. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೆಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಏನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವೋ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಇಯರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ emp.list ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ emp.list ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ $p name and fl name. Okay, and we are going to get the output for this grep command. Means illi grep, we know that what is the syntax of grep command. First we will use grep and we are going to use the option. Next we are going to use the pattern and next we are going to use the file name. Okay, grep option, next pattern, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ, ಬಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೆಪ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ and fl name is nothing but file name, that is also present. And we are going to get the 2 lines of output for the grep, $p name and $fl name. Next, echo selected row shown above, means after getting the output for this line, then this line will be executed. You can see that select row shown above means ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ emp.lst ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಲೈನ್ಸು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 101, 102 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ read and read only command will do. Okay, next, using command line arguments. When arguments are specified with a shell script, they are assigned to certain special variable. We are going to call it as positional parameter. Means when arguments are specified with a shell script, they are assigned to certain special variable. Means we are going to assign for the special variable that we are going to call it as positional parameters. Okay, here and there are some of the special parameters. First one is $1 and $2. Okay, positional parameter representing command line arguments. Means suppose one command line ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 arguments ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ that can be represented by $1 and $2. Okay, next $hash. Okay, what this parameter will represent? Number of arguments specified in command line, that is represented by hash. $hash. $0, number of executed command. Okay, next $star. Okay, complete set of optional parameter as a single string. Next, $@. Each quoted string treated as a separate argument. Means ಈ ಥರ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ we are going to treat as a separate argument. Next, question mark dollar with a question mark, exit status of last command. We are going to discard exit command. There we are going to use dollar and question mark, means exit status of a last command. What there are two exit statement will come, 0 and 1, means for this there may be a 0 or 1. If 0 means what is the meaning, if 1 is there means what is the meaning, we are going to discuss in next slide. Okay, next, dollar PID of the current shell and dollar exclamatory symbol represent the PID of last background job. Okay, these are the some special parameter used by the shell, nothing but command line arguments. Okay, here you can see that some of the example. When arguments are specified in this way, the first word, the command itself, means they are telling ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡು ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಟು $0, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು $0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು $1, this is first argument, and the third word, the second argument to $2, we are going to give it as argument 2. This is how we are going to use this special shell parameter. Okay, next, exit and exit status of command. The shell exit command exists 0 used when everything went fine. I told that for dollar question mark there is a two output, one is 0 and 1. Okay, here you can see that suppose you are getting dollar question mark is 0, means everything went fine, means that is success anta. When for this you are going to get 1 as a output, means something went wrong anta, means it is not success. 0 bandre success, 1 bandre not success. Okay, further command line is used to return true exit status if it is executed successfully, means 0 bandre executed successfully, fail bandre 1. Okay, the parameter we already discussed, shell parameter, nothing but dollar question mark, store the exit status of the last command. We know that why we are using this dollar question mark for exit status of last command. To store the exit status of the last command, we are using the dollar with question mark. Store the exit status of the last command. It have the value 0 if the command successful. Okay, a non-zero value if it is fail, means ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ the command is success. Suppose it is 1, means non-zero value banta andre it is not success. Okay, this parameter is set by exit argument. If no exit status is specified, then dollar question set to 0, means true. This parameter is set by exit command. If no exit status, any exit status ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ default it going to take it is success. Okay, for example, you consider two file f1 which is exit in the current directory. Okay, it is exit in the current directory. File 2 which is does not exist in the current directory. Okay, I will check that ls space -l file 1. Okay, and means ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ 1 ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ 0 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಯರ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ f2 ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ dollar question as a 1. Okay, next the local operators and, okay, and are. Okay, this is represent and. Two pipeline symbol will represent or. Okay, this shall provide two operators that allow conditional execution, the and or. Okay, example, for example, this is the command line. $date means this is date is command, means it going to give the current date. Okay, here system date is so that will be printed in this command, and echo date command execute successfully ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟು ಏನು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿ ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ 2 lines ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಏನು ಇದೆಯೋ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಗ್ರೆಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ $grep. Why we are using grep? To search the pattern. First we should search the pattern director using grep command in the emp.lst, and we should also print the pattern as pattern found in file ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟು grep ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, grep manager emp.lst means and. Here not and, here or is there. Okay, first statement is grep manager emp.lst or echo print not found in file. They are telling that first we should check grep manager means manager ಅಂತ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ನು emp.lstನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ಸು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ emp.lst ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡು emp.lst ಫೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, read and read only command. Okay, after that using command line argument, in that we discuss some special shell parameters, and we also discuss exit and exit status command and the logical operators, nothing but and or. Okay, and conditional execution. Okay, in next class we are going to discuss using test and square bracket to evaluate the expression. Okay, in that there are test work in three-way, means this test going to work in three-way. Okay, we are going to discuss in next class. Okay, while explaining I made a mistake that while explaining I told that local operators ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Sorry for that, it is a logical operator. Okay, while explaining I made a mistake, sorry for that. Okay, this is a logical operator, not a local operator. Sorry for that. By miss I told that it is a local operator. Sorry, this is a logical operator. Sorry for that. Okay, thank you students.